Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above sea level. At a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Suppose this is the sea level. Here we are showing that suppose this is the sea level, right? This is the sea level. Now, the plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above sea level. That is, the plane is flying at a height of so this is the plane. It is flying at a height of 5000 meter above sea level. This is 5000 meter. 5000 meter above sea level, right? And at a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. There is a submarine below the sea level. The submarine is here. This is submarine, suppose, right? And it is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. 1200 meter, 1200 meter, 200 meter below the sea level. The question is, what is the vertical distance between them, right? Here you see the distance between sea level and the plane is 5000 meter, and the distance between sea level and submarine is 1200 meter. So the total distance will be, here you see, this is the total distance from here to here. That is the vertical distance, right? And that is the vertical distance. That means you have to add the numbers, that is 5000 plus 1200 meter. What is the vertical distance between them? Therefore we can write the vertical distance is equal to vertical distance is equal to 5000 meter plus 1200 meter plus 1200 meter, right? Therefore total is 5000, so that means 6200 meter. What is the question? What is the vertical distance between them? Therefore you can say that the vertical distance the vertical distance between them is 6200 meter, right? This is the solution of question number 4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.